loves, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I literally just woke up like 30 minutes ago, so I feel really tired because I literally stayed up until like almost 2 a.m. last night. I don't know why, but I feel really tired and puffy right now, so I'm just ice rolling and drinking my little chai. I already ate breakfast, so I'm just finishing up my drink and just chilling for a little bit of the morning. It's currently 10:02. I'm gonna start getting ready for the day as soon as I'm done like doing this because I have a little day planned with the girlies. We're gonna have a little picnic in the park. We've been planning this for a few days now. It's gonna be like an actual like cute little classic picnic vibe, and we're each gonna bring some stuff, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I got for it, and it's just gonna be so cute. It's also the first time a couple of my friends and I are hanging out like all together for the first time after like months, because it's finally summer and I feel like we all know how busy things can be during the semester, so it's hard to like hang out with friends that don't go to like the same university as you. So I'm really excited to just be hanging out with them. We're gonna eat, chat, and that's pretty much it. The rest of my weekend is gonna be pretty chill. I feel like I didn't even say what this video is gonna be. This is gonna be like a little weekend in my life. But we have a couple of things going on this weekend with the move. If you guys missed my last video, which you should definitely go watch, because not only did I show you guys my updated blowout routine, but I also kind of updated you guys on a bunch of things. One of the bigger updates is that I am moving. Not by myself. This is a family move. My parents and I are looking for another house, and we actually already like sold, or not sold, I guess we took up an offer on our house. Closing is on the 14th, which is only about a couple of weeks away from now, which is crazy, and we still haven't found a place to move into, so I'm kind of stressed out about that. But we're gonna go see a place later today and tomorrow as well, so hopefully we like one of them enough. I don't know, the housing market is just so weird in Rhode Island right now. It's just like there's nothing that like makes sense for us. Like a lot of the houses we've been seeing, they're either just like so outdated or like the layout is like weird, and I don't know, just nothing has been really making sense for us, or we just really don't like it. But I have hope for these next couple places that we'll be seeing over the weekend, because the pictures look really nice, but I know pictures can be really deceiving, especially when it comes to real estate. I just want a new nice space. Try not to be too picky about it at the end of the day, just because I'm probably only going to be living in this next house for about a year before it's time for me to like, you know, start moving out and living on my own after graduation. But yeah, it's all gonna be temporary at the end of the day, but we will see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay guys, I'm all ready. Here's the outfit for today, so let me show you guys because I'm just so in love with it. Also, please don't mind my messy bed. I plan on washing my sheets later, so I didn't really bother making it today. It's just like this gorgeous light yellow buttery color. Love the neckline, and I also love the buttons. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the buttons are almost like kind of pearly and shiny, and I think it's just so pretty. I actually thrifted this from Savers like over a week ago. And then I'm also wearing these pants that I recently just got off of Amazon. They're just like these blue and white striped, almost like linen pants, I guess. Really perfect for spring and summer, especially right now that it's not like too hot outside. It's just kind of like warmer weather. Like, I don't know, I don't really feel like wearing shorts yet, but they're still really lightweight and perfect for the warmer weather. For shoes, it looks like I'm wearing Birkenstocks, but they're actually by a brand called Cushionaire. I guess they're just like Birkenstock dupes, but I got them from Marshall's, and I believe you can also get them on Amazon. And then my bag is just from Target. I've been wearing this bag literally nonstop since I got it at like the beginning of the month. It is just so cute. I love the style and it goes with everything. Okay, now that I'm ready, the girls are gonna be here soon to pick me up, so it's time to pack my little picnic basket. How adorable is this? I literally thrifted this like classic woven little basket from the thrift store like a couple of weeks ago. I can't remember how much it was exactly, but I know it was like less than $5, which is just amazing. And it didn't come with this bow. I obviously had to like put a little cute touch on it, but it's like how adorable. She's gonna be a little picnic girly. I really wish I had like little like, you know, those like linen like cloths that like you can put in the basket so like nothing gets inside of it. I feel like we have those in the kitchen, but I think my mom already packed them up. We've been starting to pack like small things since we move out in just a couple of weeks, so don't really have access to those right now. So I'm just gonna use napkins. I'm gonna place a big piece down first, just because since it's a woven basket, obviously like things can get inside of it, like bugs and stuff. So that, and then let me show you guys everything I got. I thought it'd be really cute to like bring like some French bread and jam. I got this huge like baguette from Stop and Shop, but I wish they had like a smaller size because we're definitely not going to eat all of this bread. So I think I'm going to cut it in half. Like, This is literally huge. I mean, I love bread, so I would honestly eat all of this. Okay, since I cut the bread, I also like cut the bag to be a little smaller so I can put it back in there to put in the basket. I'm just gonna put that in there. Okay, and then like I said, I thought it'd be cute to have some jam to eat with the bread. So I also got this from Stop and Shop. I can't even like read the brand. I feel like I can't, like, I don't know the font. I know the first word says like Bon or Bonnie or something like that, but I can't read this word for some reason. On Maman, something like that. I don't know. I feel like I'm completely watching this, but apparently it's jelly from France. Don't know if that's true or not. I literally just got it from Stop and Shop. It's called Cherry Reserve, so it's literally just a little cherry jam, which I think is gonna be so yummy, and I just thought it was really cute because it's just very like picnic-esque. Yeah, I love cherry jam. I think it's gonna be so yummy. I've never had this one specifically, so we're gonna be trying it for the first time today. I'm also bringing some fruit. I just got like a package of like mixed berries. It's like strawberries, raspberries, and pineapple, I think. No, mango. So it's just like a little mix of fruit. And then I also got like just raspberries because I also got a little pack of drinks for us. This is just some Shutter Home Pink Moscato. My favorite Pink Moscato is actually the one by Barefoot, but for some reason I couldn't find like the little mini Barefoot ones in my liquor store. Like the local one near my house, like I don't know, I couldn't find it. So yeah, I don't know. I just got these. I'm not like a super heavy drinker at all, so I don't really know much about alcohol, but my mom said most Pink Moscatos are the same. I got the raspberries to like put inside of them because I think it'll just make it look so much cuter, plus the raspberries give it a little bit more flavor. My friend Mary is bringing like mini plastic wine glasses for us to have them in, so I think it's gonna be really cute to be able to just put some fruit inside of the drinks as well. Okay guys, this is the basket completed. How freaking cute is this? Like literally so cute. I'm not even gonna want to like take anything out of it to eat it. Like it's just so perfectly put together and just adorable. Like, are you kidding? So freaking cute. I feel like this literally looks like a little gift basket. Like I want to give this to someone. Eee, she's a picnic girly. I'll fill up my Stanley just so I can have like, you know, plain old water on me. And then Mary is on her way. She's coming to my house first, and then my friend Aaliyah is gonna be picking like both of us up so we can all go in one car. I'll see you guys when I'm with the girlies. Guys, see the girlies! And I just got word that I was offered an internship! So we're celebrating! Setting up. Look how pretty the charcuterie board is that Aaliyah made. Courtesy of Aaliyah! The little rose. Did you make that too? Yes. So cute. Girl, you need to make a business out of this. Here. Say hi. Hi. So pretty. The things you gotta do. Cute. Let's get a little aesthetic shot. To new chapters. Yes.
A beautiful summer, beautiful friendship. So
cute.
Valentino drip. See like the way it grip my hips, cupping my breath. Shade of tan, trizzy, another.
The lady that you like, I need her. Like say, hey, style friends, they can leave her. You can stay back.
Baby,
I love you guys.
and you're still my baby.
Hell yeah! Absolutely, babe.
Okay guys, it's a bit later. Had my picnic with the girls. It was so much fun being able to hang out and catch up with them. And we had all of our little yummy snacks. It was so cute and fun. Now I'm currently on my way to meet my mom at the house that we're gonna see today. And my dad isn't coming because I guess he already saw it like another day or something. So it's just me and my mom. She's coming from work, so I am meeting her there really quickly. Guys, this has like a huge walk-in shower. How cool is this? I've never seen anything like it. Good morning, you guys. Happy Saturday and happy June. Today is June 1st. Can't believe it's already June and like summer is really coming. Actually, when does summer even start? I know I don't think it's summer yet technically, but let's look it up real quick. When does summer start 2024. Oh wow, it actually doesn't even start until June 20th. I feel like during like the beginning of May, like when I end the semester, I say that it's like just spring, but once it's like June, like end of May, June, that's when I like to say spring, summer, because technically it's still spring, but it's that point where it's actually like consistently warm every single day, and it's like nice enough to start going to the beach and actually do like summer things. So I don't know, do you guys still say spring right now, or do you like not care, you just say like spring, summer, or you just already consider it to be summer? I also have like a huge box right now in my room because I have to start packing. I think I want to get started on packing up most of my closet today, just because I just have like a ton of stuff in my closet that I'm not using. For example, like I feel like I wear the same shoes like a lot every day, so I want to pack up like all the shoes that I don't really wear like on a day-to-day basis, most of my clothes. I have to really start getting everything together so that I'm ready for the day that we have to move out. So I'm probably gonna start packing that up today. And then I also have to do laundry, which is why I didn't make my bed like yesterday and today. I'm gonna strip my bed today, change the sheets. Okay, first box has been packed, and I literally just labeled it closet stuff because it's not just like one thing specifically, like it's not just shoes. I basically just tried to pack up as much of my closet as I can, so it's just a mixture of like clothes, accessories, shoes. Honestly, it was really like barely anything of my closet, but I basically just took out anything that I don't wear like every day. I wanted to show you guys really quick. I took out my vanity mirror because it wasn't working anymore, and my skincare fridge. So those were really two big things that I basically have to throw out. My skincare fridge also wasn't working. It like broke a long time ago, but I just kept it there to store my skincare stuff. So now my vanity is just pretty much a desk, but I'm getting a whole new vanity when we move, so I just thought I would get rid of those things now. I also found some eye patches, so I decided to throw them on, but I still have to go into like my drawers and stuff and like throw out any little things, but I just wanted to get some of the bigger items out of the way first. I also just got a package from TikTok Shop, which I'm really excited to show you guys. So I'm gonna get ready and then show you guys what this is. Okay, I just got ready for the day. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I'm literally wearing the same pants as yesterday. I can't help it, like I've literally been wearing these pants nonstop since I got them from Amazon. I know I kind of already like raved about these pants yesterday, but they really are just like the most perfect, lightweight, simple pants for summer. Like you can just throw it on and not think about it, and they're super cute. So I just paired it with this cute little cami top that I got from Francesca's. Got my little Birkenstock dupes on. I'm not even wearing socks with it either because again, it's just gonna be so hot today, but did my little go-to no makeup look. I want to show you guys the items that I got from TikTok Shop. This was my first time ever getting something from TikTok Shop for like me personally, because I have ordered something from there once before, but it was a gift for someone else. This was my first time getting something like for myself, and I have to say it came out really good. I already opened the items as you can see, so I'm just gonna show you guys the first thing. I even already went ahead and used it, but I got this pack of disposable like facial like towels. They're like made out of cotton, and I got them because I've been doing a lot of research, and usually using like a normal towel to like dry your face after you wash it is not that good for you because your towel builds up a lot of bacteria. Normal towel fibers can also just be really rough on your skin, and I have sensitive skin, so I thought I would buy a pack of these like disposable cotton facial towels, and they're super soft. I literally used one today after I just washed my face, and it felt so much smoother than a towel. It was so much more gentle on my skin, and I love knowing that it doesn't have like any bacteria on it. I bought this American flag sweater. I've been wanting something like this literally since last summer. I can't remember exactly how much it was. I'll have it linked down below for you guys, but I think it was somewhere like around $15. I can't remember if it was just under $15 or like just over, but either way it was really affordable, and I'm actually shocked by like the quality of it. Like it's actually thick, and it's a knit sweater, and it's done like really nicely. Super cute. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Probably not gonna actually wear it today though, because like I said, it's gonna be very hot. I mainly bought this to be able to wear it like on summer nights or as a cover up for my bikinis. look how cute this is. I love it. I got it in a size medium, so it could be a little oversized, and oh my gosh, literally goes perfectly with my pants too. This is like the perfect 4th of July fit. Literally so cute. I will make sure to have it linked down below for you guys. Anyways, that's my little mini TikTok shop haul. I'm gonna head out now because we're gonna go see the other house, so I'm gonna bring you guys along. Just got back home. My mom and I actually just got back from doing laundry. I had so many clothes. It's been really rough trying to do laundry lately because we have a washer and dryer, but our dryer has been broken like since the winter. So we either like to just wash our clothes and then hang them up to air dry, which takes a while, or you know, if we are just too lazy to do that, then we just have to go to the laundromat. But I had so much clothes that I was just putting off. I have to put all of this away, but we're actually gonna go to dinner soon because my parents want to celebrate me getting my first internship. So we're gonna go out to eat to celebrate. I think we're just gonna go to like Olive Garden or something. So I'm just gonna stay with this outfit. I feel like it's just cute and casual, and then probably bring my little new American flag sweater in case it's cold in there. But we went to go see the house and then do laundry. So update on how like the house showing went. The actual apartment itself, again, it was kind of like the same case as yesterday. Like it was a beautiful apartment. It was all brand new. It was weird though because we were expecting to see a 3-bedroom and just like a bigger apartment in general. Like that's what we had booked to see. But then I guess the guy for some reason already rented it before showing us, which I don't know what the point of like still having showings is if you already rented it. But he said he still had a 2-bedroom, so we were like, okay, you know what, like we'll go see it, because the reason why we want 3 bedrooms is because it's my parents, me, and my brother. The thing is, my brother isn't always here since he's in the military, but for when he is here, you know, he still likes to obviously have his own space. But we were like, you know what, it might not be the end of the world if we do 2 bedrooms because he's only here like once or twice a year. So we saw the 2 bedrooms. It was again beautiful, all brand new, but again just the structure and like the location of the house, it just wasn't the best. They only allowed us 1 parking spot, which is like impossible because we literally have like 4 cars. My dad has 1, my mom, me, and my brother's car is still here, so we need more than 1 parking spot. So it was just kind of weird and just didn't really make sense for us, which is a shame because again, like yesterday, the apartment was great, but just the overall structure and everything else that comes with the house didn't make sense. Also, this house, there is a basement, but they don't give you like any access to it, no storage, anything. At least the apartment yesterday, you do have access to the basement, and it's like shared laundry, but at least you still have a basement that you can like store stuff in, even if you're like sharing it with the other people from the other units. This one, they don't even give you any access to the basement. So overall, it was just a no. And so now we're just really stressing out because we literally moved, like I said, a couple of times in like 2 weeks, and we still need to find a place, but I'm sure it'll all work out in the end, hopefully. That's the deal with that. We're gonna go to dinner now and just, you know, try to relax, celebrate this new chapter for me. I'm so excited. And then I think I'm actually gonna sleep over at Andre's tonight. So I'm probably gonna head down to campus. He still lives on campus for the summer because he's an athlete, so they have like summer workouts and training. So I think I'm gonna sleep over tonight and just spend my Sunday with him tomorrow. But let's go eat because I'm actually starving. I haven't eaten lunch.